It may seem impossible to lose weight due to a lack of a good eating routine and insufficient rest. But don't lose hope, because these simple help you lose excess weight in just 2 weeks. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Number 1. Avoid fast food and sugary drinks. Consumption of fast food was significantly associated with greater weight gain over time. For the most part, people ages between 20 and 39 years old. Eating a poor quality diet high in junk food is linked to a higher risk of obesity, digestive issues, heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. In addition, eating excessive amounts of junk food may increase your risk of depression. Furthermore, the carbs and sugar in fast foods can lead to dental cavities. Instead, try to treat yourself with fast food once a week. This way you can ensure a well-balanced diet. Number 2. Drink more water. Water can be really helpful for weight loss. It helps you burn more calories and may even suppress your appetite if consumed before meal. Studies of middle-aged overweight participants have shown, in one study, who drank water before each meal lost 44% more weight, in comparison to a group that did not drink more water. Besides, sufficient water intake helps in cleansing your system by flushing out toxins from the body, and gives a boost to the metabolism. Number 3. Eating protein for breakfast. A high-protein diet is an important nutrient for weight loss. In fact, increasing your protein intake is the simplest and most effective way to lose weight. Protein has been shown in studies to help curb your appetite and keep you from overeating. As a result, starting your day with a high-protein breakfast could be a useful weight loss tip. Moreover, diet rich in high-protein foods results in overall less abdominal fat, more satiety, and an increased metabolic function. Here's a list of what you should eat. Eggs are rich in protein and a wealth of important vitamins and minerals, such as selenium and riboflavin. Eggs are a true powerhouse of nutrition. Also, you could incorporate into your diet fatty fish, bananas, yogurt, beans, oatmeal, apple cider vinegar, and others. Number 4. Eating plenty of fiber. Eating more soluble fiber keeps your gut bacteria healthy and promotes overall fat loss by reducing your appetite. A study published that something as simple as aiming to eat 30 grams of fiber each day can help you lose weight. Here's a list of high-soluble fiber foods that you can try to lose your belly fat. Among the other top high-soluble fiber foods, black beans are probably the most famous one, also avocados, chia seeds, raspberry, broccoli, figs. Number 5. Getting a good night's sleep. Getting adequate quality sleep is an important part of a healthy weight loss plan. Between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per night. How it actually works: it suppresses hunger and signals fullness in the brain. To lose weight during sleep, try getting rid of that night light too. Sleeping with lights on appears to affect the circadian regulation of metabolism and increasing the risk of weight gain, according to the Sleep Foundation. Number 6. Managing your stress levels. Stress may cause excess abdominal fat in otherwise slender women. Non-overweight women who are vulnerable to the effects of stress are more likely to have excess abdominal fat and have higher levels of the stress hormone cortisol. So learning to reduce stress through exercise and meditation can help you keep weight off in the long term. Here's what you should do. Include deep breathing techniques. Deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. Limit social media usage. People who spend a lot of time on social media likely spend large quantities of time sitting while they scroll, too much of which can lead to obesity or metabolic syndrome, a condition characterized by a group of factors that up the risk for heart disease. Extended screen time and the overbearing presence of unrealistic body ideals on social media, as well as an individual's physical or body dissatisfaction, can reduce self-esteem and increase stress levels, both of which are proposed to be antecedents to obesity. Spend time outside in the morning. Natural light and fresh air in the morning may help improve your mood. You will ensure that you begin your day on a positive note. Number 7. Treat yourself with junk food once a week. Yes, you heard me right. You may think that fast food should be avoided at all costs. But you must eat fast food at least once a week to ensure that you are able to give your body what it needs without harming it. You don't have to completely give up junk food. A recent study has proved that certain junk foods contain good amounts of antioxidants, and they can in fact be good for the heart. Dark chocolate contains high amounts of antioxidants. It helps to lower the blood pressure and decrease the risk of heart disease if you eat around 100 grams a day. Number 8. Eat slowly. People who eat slowly rather than scarfing down their food tend to weigh less. And slowing down their eating speed over the years seemed to help them lose some weight. One common piece of advice is to chew your food an estimated 32 times before swallowing. Number 9. Keep unhealthy food out of your sight. Keeping unhealthy food out of sight may be key. If junk food is within your reach, try to swap it with healthy food instead. Number 10. Drink tea. Tea helps your body break down fats more quickly, and that's thanks to a compound called catechins, and the caffeine in many teas increases your energy use, causing your body to burn more calories. High-protein drinks like green tea, apple cider vinegar drinks, black tea are good examples in which help lose excess weight. Tell us about your experience. Which methods do you use to stay healthy and fit? If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to stay tuned each time we post a new video.